Good morning, Bruno.
Good morning.
We would like to welcome you this morning for the kicking off of this WNE event, the World Nuclear Exhibition in Paris, and also introduce you to, let's say, the whole team. But first of all, can you briefly describe what is our way to contribute for a net zero transition for customers?
Thank you, Terry. Good morning to everybody. There are many different ways Hitachi Energy is addressing a carbon neutral future, going from a manufacturing perspective to the set of portfolio product and services. The world is moving towards many renewable investment. The world is moving forward towards very big investment in mobility, but the world is also moving towards supplier and customers that are requiring our ability to have a manufacturing that set the standard from a net zero future. So I'm very, very pleased to say that Hitachi Energy is very well positioned for that.
Thank you, Bruno. In the nuclear business, the safety operations is an absolute must. How do you think we can contribute with our portfolio to this safety of operations?
Well, from a portfolio perspective, there are many different areas, and I'm sure that our customer will see that during the exhibition. I want to start from our full portfolio from a grid automation perspective, because the asset management and ensuring that the assets are optimized in a better way guarantee a very high level of safety. But I also want to go through the level of services and products that are built around the safety aspect. So if I consider the way we are positioned and the way we are driving safety all across our manufacturing operation and portfolio, I'm sure that the customer will appreciate the way we drive it, also in the way we manage their assets.
Thank you. Moving also into a digital and IT and OT, let's say a system or world, how do you see, let's say, our portfolio in that direction about, let's say, more service-based and service-assisted for customers?
Well, there are three elements that I think are important to underline when we talk about working with customers in the nuclear space. The first area is, of course, the way we support from an asset management perspective, the way we operate and the customer operate their assets. The second fundamental piece is how we work with customers to extend the lifetime of their portfolio and their assets, so the service and the consulting piece and the game that they play on that. And then the third element is, of course, how we support the customer through our full scope on the digital portfolio, how we increase the reliability of their assets. So many different areas, from operating, servicing, extending the life cycle, and increasing the reliability.
Thank you, Bruno. Ultimately, you are today, let's say, heading the business unit, the global business unit, Transformers. And how do you think we can bring these innovations in Transformers to the nuclear business?
Well, we need to keep in mind that for more than 50 years, Hitachi Energy has been a major reliable partner on product, system and services for the nuclear industry. And we need also to keep in mind that more than 70% of the nuclear assets in the world are somehow linked to the Hitachi Energy portfolio. We are bringing a lot of innovation, and on this display set of portfolio, the customer will appreciate that even more, ranging from new material that are leaning towards the net impact from a carbon perspective, but we are going to have a lot also from a grid automation and asset management point of view. We have a very, very rich portfolio from a grid integration perspective, and I'm happy that we are also bringing from an high voltage and transformer perspective the iconic portfolio, the real care, and we are bringing even more from a sustainability point of view. So very, very excited about what Hitachi Energy can offer to the nuclear industry.
Again, thank you very much, Bruno, for your presence today in the kickoff of this event. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much and enjoy. Thank you.